Alright, what's up everybody? So the bottom of the light stand finally got printed out. This is what it looks like. It's 2 pieces. This clips in right there. Something like this once I get it cleaned up, and then it'll go on top of this like that. But yeah, anyways, I need to get it cleaned up and make sure that everything fits correctly so that I know that I need to print the top part still, and I know that that's good. And if there's any measurements or anything that doesn't fit correctly, then I could change it on the top part. All right, so if you look right there, you see how the supports are there. So I need to somehow dig those out. On this side and this side, there's no support because they're printed like that. But I need to dig out the supports and make sure everything, so far everything slides in really nicely. It looks like it's perfect. All right, I finished cleaning it up. It looks good. I'm very annoyed by the dirtiness that my fingers put on. I tried to wash them good before, but I guess I need to use gloves or something. Everything looks good. Everything slides in well. This will be fixed because I'm gonna glue all of this together and make everything tight. All right, so I cleaned up the last print and made sure everything fit, and everything did fit. So now I have to set up the top print, the top portion of the floating lamp. So kind of how I did the bottom, I'm just gonna slice this right over here and then print it out in 2 pieces. So starting off, it's literally just gonna be as simple as this. Generally what I try to do is slice everything on the seams. But since this is the first time ever trying this, I just want to get like a basic design done and see how it works and see what doesn't work and see what problems I'm going to run into. And then afterwards, I'll like fix it. I'm gonna print this out, and then hopefully the next video I'll put everything together and start wiring the electronics, and then finish designing. I need to finish designing some stuff on the PCB board that I figured out that I could do better. Peace.